Hey Bag Maker, I'm Sarah Lawson from Sew Sweetness, and I am so excited to introduce you to my 4 latest sewing patterns. They include PDF patterns with full color step-by-step instructions with a color photograph for just about every step. And in the videos, I walk you through the entire project from start to finish, including cutting out your pattern pieces, attaching your interfacing, and finishing the bag all the way up until the very end. The Alien bag comes in 2 different sizes, size small and size large. This is size large, and it features a really fun 3-dimensional front zipper pocket. This bag features an adjustable strap, so it has a slider as well as 2 metal rectangles. And I used rivets or Chicago screws to secure the ends of the tabs as well as some top stitching. This bag has a front zipper pocket as well as a main zippered compartment. So this main portion of the bag is finished with a form of binding, so I used fold over elastic. Because of the front zipper pocket, I wanted the main body of the bag to be very structured, and I feel like either binding or fold over elastic is one thing that can provide that structure. So attaching fold over elastic is really easy, especially because it's stretchy, and we just need 2 strips of the fold over elastic, one for the back of the bag and one for the front of the bag. The Alien bag features full color step-by-step instructions with a color photo for just about every step, and the video online workshop is 1 hour and 42 minutes long. The Ninebark Backpack is a small backpack with a flap, and the best part of this bag is that each side features a zipper with its own individual zipper pocket. So I made 2 backpacks. One backpack, I used the same fabric for the flap as well as for the rest of the exterior. And I made a second backpack where I used a different fabric for the flap. So there's a notation in the pattern instructions in case you'd like to cut your exterior flap out of a different fabric than the rest of your exterior. That'll depend on what fabric you're using for the outside of the bag. So let me flip to the back of the bag. There's an optional loop piece at the top. My navy backpack did not have the loop, but if you would like to have it, it is in the instructions and in the video, and it is handy for hanging on a hook. The straps are adjustable and feature metal sliders as well as rectangles. And there's an accent on the back of the bag. This accent is reinforced with a small piece of either Peltex or Decovil Heavy. This is added to the wrong side of the exterior on the interfacing portion and just provides some extra stability for the straps as well as the loop. Each of the sides of the bag features a vertical zipper pocket, and this zipper pocket is not continuous throughout the bag. Each side has its own zipper pocket, and this zipper pocket is perfect for smaller items or a cell phone. The flap is secured with a magnetic snap, and on the lining side of the bag there's a slip pocket, which is perfect for, again, either a small wallet or a cell phone. The Ninebark Backpack pattern features full color step-by-step instructions with a color photo for just about every step, and the online video workshop is 1 hour and 44 minutes long. This is the Sweet Bay mini crossbody bag, and with these newest set of patterns, I really challenged myself. Since I historically design medium or large bags, I challenged myself to design 4 small bags, and the Sweet Bay is the smallest of the new patterns. Basically, it holds a cell phone and some credit cards, and I think it's perfect for an all-day excursion when you don't want to carry a heavy bag. For this bag, I tried to keep the hardware and other supplies at a minimum, so this bag just features a metal rectangle and a swivel clip in order to make the strap adjustable, and there's also 2 magnetic snaps in the flap. So on the inside, there's credit card slots, and this bag is small. I tried to keep the pattern pieces to a minimum as well, and I also wanted it to be 3-dimensional, so this side and bottom panel features some extra width to the bag. But all in all, I think this is a relatively quick sew and it's really fun to put together. The Sweet Bay Mini Crossbody Bag pattern features full color step-by-step instructions with a color photo for just about every step, and the video online workshop is 1 hour and 10 minutes long. The Vervain bag comes in 2 different versions in the instructions as well as in the video. This is the waist bag version, and there's also a crossbody bag version with an adjustable strap. The waist bag version uses metal rectangles and a slider to make the waist bag adjustable, and it secures with a parachute buckle. So you can find parachute buckles in either plastic, which is what I have here, or metal. For the crossbody bag version, instead of the strapping attached to the sides of the bag, the strap extenders will be attached to the back of the bag using a slightly different width, and those will be finished with D-rings and swivel clips, so you can remove the strap and put it back on, and that strap is adjustable as well. The front of the bag features a flap securing with magnetic snaps, and then the top closure is a zipper with a zipper pocket on the lining of the bag. So for this top zipper, you can either tuck the zipper tail on the lining side, or you can leave it hanging out like I'm showing here. So my favorite part of this bag is that it features sort of a 3-dimensional look. So the side panel kind of continues along the front and the sides of the bag, and it gives the bag a nice 3-dimensional look, and this is really easy to put together as well. The Vervain bag pattern features full color step-by-step instructions with a color photo for just about every step, and the video online workshop is 1 hour and 50 minutes long. If you love those 4 projects, be sure to pick up your bundle now. It's at a $20 savings, so a final cost of $40 for 4 PDF sewing patterns and 4 videos. But the bundle is only available until February 16th, and then it goes away forever. So grab your bundle and let's get sewing.